You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this area in England. If you want to learn more names of famous places around England, stay tuned. In southeast England, pronounced as Buckinghamshire. That's British English pronunciation. The American pronunciation would be more as Buckinghamshire, but in the UK, English pronunciation Buckinghamshire. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.